Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting and powerful technologies shaping our world, artificial intelligence, or as you probably know it, AI. It sounds complex, but don't worry. We're going to break it down in a super simple and easy to understand way. So, what exactly is AI? At its core, artificial intelligence is all about making machines smart. We're talking about teaching computers how to think, learn from information, and even make decisions, much like a human brain does. So, how does it work? Well, AI systems are fed huge amounts of data. They analyze this data, find patterns, and use what they learn to get better at their tasks. Think about how we learn. When you were a kid, you learned not to touch a hot stove after doing it once, right? You learned from experience. AI does something similar, but with data. The more data it processes, the more accurate and efficient it becomes. It's a continuous cycle of learning and improving. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds like science fiction, but the truth is, AI is already all around us. We interact with it every single day, often without even realizing it. Have you ever unlocked your smartphone using your face or fingerprint? Yep, that's AI at work, recognizing your unique features. When you're scrolling through YouTube and it recommends the perfect next video for you to watch, that's a sophisticated AI algorithm predicting what you'll enjoy. Even simple things like using Google to search for information, asking your voice assistant for the weather, or using a navigation app to find the quickest route home, all of these are powered by artificial intelligence. It's the invisible force making our daily lives so much easier, faster, and smarter. But AI's impact goes way beyond just our personal gadgets. It's revolutionizing entire industries, and one of the most important is education. For students, AI is like having a personal tutor available 24/7. There are AI-powered tools that create customized learning paths, offer interactive practice problems, and even help with complex research by sorting through vast amounts of information. And it's not just for students. AI is also a huge help for teachers. Imagine an assistant that can help grade homework, analyze class performance to see which topics students are struggling with, and free up valuable time for teachers to focus on what they do best, teaching and mentoring. From online courses that adapt to your learning speed to smart educational apps, AI is personalizing the learning experience and helping every student reach their full potential. Another field where AI is making a life-changing difference is in healthcare. This is where AI's ability to analyze data becomes incredibly powerful. Doctors and medical professionals are now using AI systems to examine medical images like X-rays, CT scans, and MRIs with incredible precision. These AI tools can spot tiny anomalies that might be missed by the human eye, leading to earlier and more accurate diagnoses of serious diseases. This isn't about replacing doctors. It's about giving them superpower tools to help save more lives. In the future, we can expect AI to make our hospitals even smarter, streamlining operations, personalizing treatment plans, and predicting health issues before they become critical. So, what does the future hold for AI? The possibilities are truly mind-blowing. The growth of AI is creating a whole new wave of exciting career opportunities. Jobs that didn't even exist a decade ago, like AI engineers, data scientists, and machine learning specialists, are now in high demand. We're on the verge of a world filled with smart cities that manage traffic and energy efficiently, self-driving cars that make our roads safer, and smart homes that anticipate our every need. For the students and young people learning about AI today, you are the ones who will build and lead this incredible future. To wrap things up, it's clear that artificial intelligence is not just a passing trend. It is the future of technology. Understanding and learning about AI is becoming essential for everyone, especially the younger generation. It's important to remember that the goal of AI isn't to replace humans. Instead, it's about augmenting our own abilities, helping us solve complex problems, and creating a better, more efficient world for everyone. It's a tool to help humanity. Thank you so much for watching and learning about AI with me today. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. We'll see you in the next one.